Hi guys, this is Srini from Aroopa Inc. We are based out of Princeton, New Jersey. We are going to talk about the TrackerScript plugin that we develop for nopCommerce customers. Before we get into the actual topic, I would like to introduce ourselves. We are a nopCommerce solutions partner. We have been in business from 2010. We have been offering web designing, e-commerce development, custom web development, back office outsourcing, QA and automation services. Not just to limited to development, we have been also helping customers with PPC and local marketing. With respect to nopCommerce is concerned, we are a nopCommerce solutions partner. We help customers with theme customization, plugin development. If you want it completely custom, we can help you with the custom development activities, setup and migrations, integrations with other platforms as well. So we help customers to understand more about nopCommerce, whether nopCommerce is the right solution for them to go. We try to understand your current shopping carts, explain you the advantages and the disadvantages of moving towards nopCommerce, if nopCommerce is a good right solution for you. It is not just nopCommerce is not just e-commerce. If you sell the products, that's when you have to use nopCommerce. No, it's not at all. It can be any kind of business. You may need some kind of recurring billing. You want something different. nopCommerce can certainly help you with certain customizations. If you want any information about how nopCommerce can help you to streamline your business processes, feel free to reach us at my email. You can email sales@aroopatech.com. Let's come back again to the TrackerScript. The TrackerScript plugin that we developed is very generic. You can be using the TrackerScript for tracking the data, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, Bing ads for any kind. We have three sections here. The global part. If you want a tag that has to go into the global part, which is basically go into the head portion of the HTML documents, you can put those scripts in the global part. For example, you may be signing up for a chat support plugin through someone like Zendesk or someone. So they'll be giving you JavaScript and they will ask you to place the JavaScript in the head portion of the HTML document. So anything that has to the head portion of the document, you can put it on the global scripts. Remarketing scripts. Google provides you a way to create a remarketing campaign. Remarketing campaign is basically shows you for abandoned cart, related activities where the advertisement will be keep on showing up to the customers who already visited your page. So remarketing scripts. So Google should know what is the product, what is the price, what is the image of the product. So that's why they give you a separate remarketing tag that has to go only in the product detail pages. So we have an option for you where you can place the remarketing tags and specify the product name, SKU and everything right there and send the information to Google. Conversion scripts. Conversion scripts basically tracks the conversions, whether it may be a thank you page or it is an order confirmation page or a lead generation confirmation page. The conversion page, we have to send back the information to Google or Bing or whatever the advertising platform it is, the cost, the product they bought and everything. That's where they can be tracked. So we can use the conversion script for that purpose. Also, if you used Google Shopping and if you want to send the order details to a Google platform for getting reviews, you can still use a conversion script area where you can place those JavaScripts. So what you need is basically first you have to buy the plugin from our store, which is you can go into aroopatech.com and you can look for the shop section where you can look at the tracker plugin and purchase it. When you purchase the plugin, we'll be giving you an activation key. You need to provide us a domain where this script is going to be installed, and we'll be generating a unique license key for you guys, so you can put the license key over there. And before we get into the actual implementation, you have to make sure you sign up with the chat scripts guys or Google Analytics or Google AdWords, and we need 3. It's not all 3 are mandatory. If you just want a global script, you can use the global script. If you want only for remarketing, use the remarketing alone. So basically, Analytics or Google AdWords or Bing ads will give you the global tag that has to go into every pages. Remarketing tags are the ones that has to go to each individual product pages, and conversion tags are the ones that has to be placed on the thank you or order confirmation pages. The global tag, as I said, is going to be across all the pages. If you look at this is a analytics plugin that we generated from Google AdWords or Analytics. This is going to be the global tag. This script is going to go across all the board. Remarketing tags, if you look at it, I have mentioned the page type and product ID. Product ID is your SKU, and page type is whether it's a category page or it is basically a product page which you can mention over there. And conversions page, I'm going to be sending the conversion value, conversion currency, and the order number back to the Google platform. That way, all my conversions can be tracked, and if Google sees me I'm converting more, they'll be displaying my products again and again in a more frequent way. Okay, this is just a basic presentation about the TrackerScript, and I'm going to show you the actual demo. So basically, when this is a test site I have set up, to demonstrate this. And before, I went ahead and placed an order. I went into shop.aroopatech.com and I selected the TrackerScript, and I gave the domain name and picked the version of my nopCommerce and added to shopping cart, and I checked out. And once I checked out, I got the order confirmation email, and I'm going to the my account, orders, details. So from here, I can download the plugin, and I can also get the activation key. So this is the actual place where I purchased the plugin. So now once I have the downloaded plugin file and the activation key, I'm going back to my store to install this. So I'm going to the backend of my store, and I'm going to the plugins, local plugins. I'm going to use this upload plugin or upload theme to select the plugin file and upload it. Once it uploads, you will see the plugin here, TrackerScript, and I'm having an install option. When I click install, nopCommerce is going to install that TrackerScript plugin. Right now it's installing. Once it installs, what I have to do is I have to scroll back and enable this plugin from edit module. I'm going to be enabling this plugin, save it, and I'm going back to the configure page. The configure page has, as I told you, has three text boxes where you will have the tracking script, conversion script, and remarketing script. Activation key, as I told you, we'll be generating an activation key for each of your domain, and that's where you can find it from the order detail page. Once you get logged into our site, once you place an order, you'll be given an activation key. I'm going to place the activation key over here. The TrackerScript, I showed you I have a TrackerScript for my site. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it. So these are the various attributes that we support right now. We can send the category name, currency, order total, order ID. You can be using any kind of conversion scripts or any kind of remarketing scripts. So we have provided an extended values for you. You can use these and get them replaced. And I'm going to use the conversion script. I have already replaced here. If you look at it, I am passing the value. The value is basically you have to have the whole braces over here. Whatever you have it here, that has to go here. Currencies and order ID and the remarketing script. Again, it is not just limited to AdWords. You can use it for analytics. You can use it for share a sale. You can use it for any kind of. If you get a JavaScript from any vendor, you can use it here, and that will the data to back to the replace those values with these values, and you will be the data will be sent back to the vendor. And just save this. I can put in the activation key. I can put in the tracking script, everything. When I'm clicking save, it's going to save the details. If the activation key is wrong, it is going to give you the wrong message. So once you do this, I want you to restart the application so that this gets reflected. I'm going there and restarting the application. Yes, I'm going to widgets, and when I look at the tracking script widgets, it's going to show all the data. Let's test once. So I installed the global tracking script, which is basically it's going to be across all the pages, and then going to my site, and I'm going to do view source. Yes, it is right there. The script is right there. So this script is going to be across all pages. The next one is the remarketing script. The remarketing script, let's go on and take one product. It's going to be at every product. We take this product, then we view the source, and what do we have here? Let's look for this tag. So, yep, you got this. Again, if you're using variant products, you need to select all the options so that it can generate the proper tags. So the same thing applies to the conversion script. The conversion scripts are going to show up and send the data to AdWords or Bing Ads or any kind of conversion reporting that you have in place. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at sales@aroopatech.com, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. We do have an online chat support on our website, and our developers will help you out in fixing or addressing any of your concerns. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.